Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to get promo codes for gloves. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration, I'm going to go head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in promo code for gloves. Once I've done this, I'm going to hit search. And now I'll be brought to the Google search results here. And inside the search results, we've got a few different third-party sites. We've got don'tpayfull.com, which is offering 50% off. We've got Deal Spotter. What else have we got here? We've got Coupon Follow, Simply Codes, etc. But one I really like to use is don'tpayfull.com. You can check out any one of these, but don'tpayfull.com is a good site to get promo code deals. And now, as we can see inside their site, so we've got 10% off site-wide at gloves. We've got 25% off verified. So you can go and check out, here we go, $2,550 off site-wide at gloves. So you can see there's a whole different range of different promo code deals here. So you can check out any one of these ones, but for this demonstration, I'm going to do the 10% off site-wide at gloves. These promo code deals do change daily or weekly, so be sure to check them out at later dates to find even better deals and savings. And they also do expire as well, so if one has expired, just move on to the next one. Now, to use this promo code deal, just simply copy the text here and then paste this at gloves checkout to enjoy your 10% off.